When you search for leather car seat covers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. CAR Pass Full Set. First up is the CAR Pass Universal Fit Piping Leather Car Seat Cover. Priced at $58.91. This full set impressed me right off the bat with its striking black and red design. If you want a stylish upgrade without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's made from high-quality PU leather that's not just about looks. It's wrinkle-resistant and protects your seats from dust and scratches. Plus, it's 100% washable, which is a big deal if you have kids or pets around. With over 6,200 reviews and a solid 4.2 star rating, it's clear that many people trust this product to keep their car interiors fresh. Now, some people complain about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of the zippers, it's not that bad, and honestly, it's a small price to pay for the protection and style you get. This is perfect for you if you want a complete set that looks good and protects your car. Skip this one if you only need a cover for the front seats. It's more than you might need. Now, if that installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. CAR Pass Front Seat Covers. Next is the CAR Pass Universal Fit Piping Leather 2 Front Seat Covers, available for $28.68. It has the same luxurious PU leather feel, but with a focus just on the front seats. If you want to spruce up just the front and save some money, this is a solid option. The waterproof faux leather means you don't have to worry about spills while driving. It also comes with reserved opening holes for headrest covers and seat belts, ensuring safety isn't compromised. With 6,200 reviews and the same 4.2 star rating, it's clearly popular among buyers wanting a quick upgrade. One downside is that it only covers the front seats. But honestly, if you just need to improve your driver and passenger seating, it's a fantastic choice without the full set price tag. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to enhance your front seats. Skip this one if you want a complete set for back seat coverage as well. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a full set. Product number 3. CAR Pass Full Set Beige. The next option is another CAR Pass full set, but this one comes in a stylish black and beige combo, priced at $59.84. It caught my attention for its elegant color scheme. If you want to make a bold statement in your vehicle, this is worth considering. Just like the previous CAR Pass model, it features that same high-quality PU leather and is airbag compatible. The 3-line zippers make installation easier, and it fits a variety of vehicle types. Plus, it's machine washable. With over 6,200 reviews and a 4.2 star rating, it shows that buyers appreciate the look and functionality. Now, some users have mentioned that the color may not be as vibrant as it looks online. But here's the thing. The overall look is still classy and can really enhance your interior feel without making it look too flashy. This is perfect for you if you love a sophisticated look for your car. Skip this one if you're set on darker colors and think beige might not suit your style. Now, if you want something more focused on just the bottom part of your seats, the next option is tailored just for that. Product number 4. Black Panther Front Seat Cover. Now we have the Black Panther Luxury Faux Leather Car Seat Cover, priced at $27.99. This one focuses on the front bottom seat cushion, and honestly, I really like the anti-slip feature. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that provides comfort, this is worth checking out. The upgraded wear-resistant leather means it can stand up to daily abuse while keeping your original seats protected. The wraparound design offers extra coverage, and a non-slip gel bottom keeps it secure no matter how you move. With 18,600 reviews and a 4.5 star rating, it's evident that many buyers appreciate its durability and comfort. However, some reviews mention that it might not fit snugly on all seat types. But here's the thing. It fits about 95% of vehicles, so unless you have a rare model, you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and effective solution for your front seats. Skip this one if you need full coverage for the entire seat, as this is just a bottom cover. Now, if you have kids and are worried about protecting your seats, the next product will help you out. Product number 5, Sieved-in Car Seat Protector. Lastly, we have the Sieved-in Car Seat Protector for just $12.99. This one isn't a traditional cover, but a protector specifically designed to shield your leather seats from child car seats and other wear. If you have kids, this might be your best bet. Made with extra thick padding, it prevents indentations and scratches, which is exactly what you want when you're juggling kids and car rides. The anti-slip design ensures it stays in place, and it even has mesh pockets for snacks or toys, keeping everything organized. With a glowing 4.7-star rating from over 3,200 reviews, parents seem to love it. One downside is that it's more about protection than aesthetics. But honestly, if you have kids, protecting your seats should be your priority, and this does the job well. This is perfect for you if you're a parent looking to keep your car seats in pristine condition. Skip this one if you want something that looks fancy, because this is all about practicality. Now let's wrap it all up. To sum it all up, we have the stylish CAR Pass full set, the budget-friendly front seat covers from CAR Pass, another elegant full set option, the comfortable Black Panther bottom cover, and the practical Sieved-in protector for parents. Each has its unique benefits, depending on what you're looking for. So, whether you want style, protection, or just a simple upgrade, there's something here for you.